Hey guys, Justin here with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at the BBK 1 3/4 inch shorty headers available for your 2019 and newer 5.7 powered Ram at home. Now you should be considering the BBK options if you're looking for an easier to install and more affordable alternative than going with a full-blown set of long tube headers that will still deliver a slight change to your exhaust note along with minor performance gains, but maybe most importantly, rid your Hemi of those rusty stockers that are prone to cracking and leaking, along with the problematic bolts that come along with them. So on the surface, the big features when installing a shorty header such as the BBKs will be, again, that slight change to your exhaust note along with a minimal gain to both horsepower and torque. Now, you'll notice I say words like slight or minimal. Well, that's because the benefits with a shorty header are going to be limited compared to what you might see with a full-blown long tube header. Now, on the other hand, guys, those long tubes are at least double the price, if not triple in this case, and are going to be far more difficult to install at the end of the day. But maybe one of the biggest features really isn't a feature at all, but it's one that Hemi owners can certainly appreciate and relate to, and that is ridding your rig of those crappy OE manifolds, which, let's face it guys, have been known to warp and crack, causing an annoying exhaust leak, and even in some extreme cases, even snapping those manifold bolts off in the head, which is never a good time to say the least. Finally guys, there's the size. Now these again are the 1 3/4 inch primaries. They're gonna be slightly larger than the 1 5/8 inch options that you might see also in the category. The Ram and its displacement, I feel, warrant a bigger primary, and the BBKs will certainly assist you there. Moving into construction here, guys, do want to point out the BBK shorties are made right here in the USA, and these particular options are going to consist of 16 gauge steel for things like the 1 3/4 inch mandrel bent primaries. You're also going to find things like the 2.5 inch collector, which will mate up to your factory downpipes without issue. And then finally, you have the 3/8 inch flange here at the head that, unlike the stocker, is going to resist any warping or anything like that. Now the headers, these particular options, they have been finished off in BBK's polished ceramic finish. That's one of a few different options you can find them in here on the site. And these guys also do include brand new gaskets, which as you can see right there, in addition to all of the hardware needed for the install. Price point for the BBK shorties will land right around 600 bucks, give or take here a bit, which does make these one of the most affordable shorty header options on the site for your newer 5.7 powered Ram. Now keep in mind though guys, a lot of your other more expensive options will feature a full stainless steel build, which will ultimately be a more durable material at the end of the day when compared to the 16 gauge steel. But if you live in an area or a climate that doesn't see a lot of road salt during the winter months, this should not be an issue for you at all. What you can expect is a strong 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, at least 3 hours or so to complete from start to finish. As always, if you don't feel up to the task with this particular install, don't hesitate to reach out to your local shop. But wrapping things up here, guys, again, if you are looking to prevent a future problem with the factory manifolds while adding a little bit more sound and power at the same time, then you should definitely consider checking out a set of shorty headers from BBK right here at AmericanTrucks.com.